In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Google account and Gmail password in Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Before you make any changes, take a moment to make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account. This is important, especially if you use more than one account in the same browser. You want to be certain that you are updating the password for the account you actually intend to secure. If needed, check the profile or account icon in the top area of Chrome so you can confirm you are in the right place before moving forward. Once you have confirmed that, go to the Google Account Security page. When the page opens, look for the section called How You Sign In to Google. This section controls the key settings related to access and account protection. In that section, click on Password. Google will then ask you to verify your identity before allowing any password change. You will be prompted to enter your current password. Type it in carefully, then continue to the next screen. After that, you will see two fields for your new password. Enter your new password in the first field, and then enter the same new password again in the second field to confirm it. Make sure both entries match exactly. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols can help make your account more secure. When you are ready, click Change Password. Google will then save the update and apply your new password to your Google account. Since your Gmail account uses the same Google account credentials, this change will also update your Gmail password automatically. That covers everything you need to know.